mau betul ya ke bak Sorkar kelale.
Menteri rang ba ke jila Konrad ke sangma hinen kesngi ulaong baka Sorkar ke kam badon kumbalai puar lak metric tons Dewiong ubala depti pathau ula kentaj baka jingle survey daki drone kabala penlong kat kum ke hukum balayo na ka ying bishar high court jong ke jila kabasyam baka don tangkhat lai lak metric ton Dewiong kala bandai na ka jing bam la ban yo lut ya ki jaka baro bat kila shuong bakalaja kat kum ka kai phon bakhat pra bala ai dangshan shaka ying bishar high court jong ka meghalaya u justice retired BP katake ula shem badon tang kumba khat khandai lak metric tons u Dewiong kat ba ka Sorkar pat ka kam bakadon lai puar lak metric tons.
Maybe there were some locations that were not covered. Maybe there were some areas that were not, taken into consideration. Maybe the coal that was there was the one that was transported earlier. That was there because, as you know, Coal India has already asked us to shift those the stock different locations that are there, and that process also has happened. So there are there's a lot of ambiguity in the aspect of these locations. So therefore, that could be possible because it's a large area. So you could be seeing a lot of complication in this. But I think at the end of the day, the Supreme Court has given us a clear a mandate, and they've mentioned that it's 32 lakhs, and that's what we stick to right now.